Imagine a world shaped by powerful ideas and the logic of international relations. Our journey takes us back to the era of colonialism, where dominant ideologies laid the foundation for the global divides we grapple with today. To understand our story, let's break down two key concepts: the dominant ideology of colonialism and the logic shaping the birth of the international order. The Age of Colonization. In the age of colonization, powerful nations embark on quests for supremacy and expansion. The dominant ideology justified these endeavors, often grounded in notions of racial superiority, cultural arrogance, and economic exploitation. We believe it was our duty to civilize the uncivilized. This ideology fueled our colonial ambitions, shaping the way we approach and control distant lands. Economic exploitation. They took our resources, claimed our lands, and left us grappling with the consequences. The economic exploitation embedded in colonial ideology sowed the seeds of global economic disparities. The post-colonial era. As colonies gained independence, a new international order emerged. This system, guided by a particular logic, sought to maintain stability and balance among nations. Power dynamics. The logic behind the international order reflect the power of dynamics of the post-colonial world. Some nations rose to prominence while others struggled to find their place. Structural inequalities. The rules of this order were set against us. Structural inequalities in trade, politics, and development perpetuated the global divides created during the colonial era. Our journey through the dominant ideology of colonialism and the logic shaping the international order unveils the roots of today's global divides. The echoes of history continue to reverberate, reminding us of the urgent need to address the disparities inherited from the past. As we navigate a world shaped by these historical forces, we are called to recognize, challenge, and reshape the systems that perpetuate global divides. Only through understanding our shared history can we pave the way for a more just and equitable future. Throughout history, the capacity of societies to produce and consume material goods has undergone a transformative journey, leaving an indelible mark on global divides. The evolution can be delineated through key historical era, each shaping and in disparity landscape in unique ways. In the agrarian beginnings of human civilization, societies laid the groundwork for material production through manual labor and agricultural practice. However, the allocation of fertile lands became a determinant of prosperity, setting the stage for early disparities. The dawn of the Industrial Revolution marked a seismic shift. Steam engines and mechanization exponentially increased production capabilities, propelling Western nations into an era of unprecedented affluence. Meanwhile, non-industrialized regions grappled with economic marginalization, establishing a pattern of global imbalances. The 20th century witnessed a surge in technological advancements and the onset of globalization. Mass production, powered by electricity, became the hallmark of material abundance. Yet the benefits were unevenly distributed. Developed nations harnessed technological process to defend their economic dominance, leaving developing regions struggling to catch up. As we enter the information age, the narrative took a digital turn. Computers, the internet, the automation ushered in a new era of possibilities and challenges. However, the digital divide emerged as a stark manifestation of global disparities. Access to information technology became a determinant of society's ability to participate in the global economy, accentuating existing divides.